Tired of ClickFunnels, draining your wallet at $97 a month and still capping your features? What if I told you there's a free forever plan that does it all? Better. Stick around. Systeme.io crushes ClickFunnels in 2026. No $97 bills, no limits. You get unlimited.
Another, ClickFunnels might sound fancy, but here's the truth. It starts at $97 a month. There's no free plan, and you still need extra tools for email or courses. Solo creators like us end up wasting thousands every year on upsells and clunky integrations. I've tested both, and honestly, ClickFunnels. Security. Comparing ClickFunnels to systeme.io, the winner is obvious. Starting price, ClickFunnels, $97 a month. Systeme.io, free forever or just $27. Email marketing, ClickFunnels is limited and extra. Systeme.io gives unlimited sends, perfect for your download users. Users are seeing up to 300% faster growth with Systeme.io. I saw my revenue triple in a matter of weeks. And you won't need a $297 platinum plan to do it. My courses sell while I sleep. Everything just runs on autopilot. Grow your business 3 times. Systeme.io. Still paying $97 a month for ClickFunnels? Don't. Systeme.io does funnels, email and automation, free, and I'm giving you my high-converting template to drop right in. Hit like, smash subscribe, then comment AI.